Alright folks, I think I figured out how to properly exit the validator node here with some help from my friends over there over at the whatever Discord channel it is for Ethereum 2. But anyway, you have to have the beacon chain fired up as I have now. It's all caught up and the validator node running, so that's good. So let's go ahead and try to run it. I simply ran that command as instructed there. It's a ./prism.sh validator accounts voluntary exit. I didn't append Pyrmont to it, but maybe that could be a reason why not. But if that doesn't work, if this doesn't work, then we'll try -- Pyrmont after that. But let's try it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this account, genuinely still starfish. Done selecting. Okay. Are you sure you want to perform a voluntary exit on one account? Yes. Withdrawing funds is not possible in phase 0 of the system. Please navigate to the following website and make sure. So I'm just going to type in exit my validator. Oh, okay, there it goes. Boom. We did it. We did it, folks. Hurrah. Thank you to Mr. DVAS. Thank you.